want massage with happy ending? That's called ispakul. Ispakul? Oh! Ba't tinabili pa dito?
Ay, alam ko kasi, sabi ko kasi nung ilan na eh. B, tara na. Uy, tara na.
Dalaw
Anong oras na? Kayo pa yun eh.
Isa lang magaya naman ang mga bayaw ko. Mamaya, sige, busin na sa picture.
Ay, ilang isang picture na yun. Ilang picture na yan.
Isa lang, isa sa lina kasi kaya hindi na ubos.
Oras na. Ayos na tayo ka.
Kaya sa mga bayaw ko. Di pa kuhan mo na ng vape ko, B.
Pati ko kumuha. Ayaw mo umuwi. Sige, ligado na ako sa'yo. So, napansin nyo kulang yung bayaw niya. So, ito. Hi! Ayan, sila Adrian, si Kacharmi, si Charisse, si Christina Yalo, and syempre si Leia Vlogs. So, I need your presents.
Hindi ba, present?
Yeah, go to Norby. Ikaw na ako, mag-sleep. Kung tayo ka Norby, gusto ko, ayaw pa kasi umuwi. Ayaw umuwi? Tatabihan mo. Di ba may allergy siya kay ano?
You go to Kuya.
Oh, you need to, asar? He is to, angry. Yun na lang. You need to,
Wait, di ba, great?
yeah.
I'm good in that.
Yeah.
Amazing, I'm great.
Yeah. Just speak English only, ha? Yeah. I will protect you and your wife. English. Hirap nito. Pati ako dumudugo. Bye, everyone.
Hello, Bayaw. Oh no. Hello. Come. That's my chair.
Oh, it's your chair. Sit there. Yan. There.
Oh, remember, you said, sabi mo, mga bayaw mo. Oh, you forgot your another bayaw.
Welcome Philippines.
See?
So quiet.
Ha?
Why so quiet? You're so noisy.
So heavy. Why?
Why?
Ito. I know all the spots, right?
You keep tour around for the whole day already. So you need to talk to him. This is your bayaw, guys.
Yeah. Brother-in-law. Oh, why we don't call him?
Oh, you see, I only have one Bayaw restaurant.
Welcome to the Philippines, Bayaw.
Again?
Hey, where you go away, Philippines? Ah, you stay here? Wow, I'm so very blessed. Thank you for that. Maybe tomorrow we fly to Singapore away. Follow us.
Why? They're just laughing.
I don't know.
This one. Oh, all of you.
Oh.
They don't like
Luisito,
you.
FCY, they don't even talk to me. They're just laughing.
They don't like you. You
That's
don't
why.
Yeah,
Why
they
like
don't
that?
talk to you.
I
I'm
love you
also
so
your
much.
Bayaw.
I love you so much. You're
I'm
my
your
brother
Bayaw.
from another mother.
Daddy from another mother.
Yes, oh, you also Bayaw. One brother-in-law also. This is the
Why
day.
never call me?
This is
So,
the
ba't
day.
di mo raw sinawag siya? Oh.
I keeping call you, but you cannot be rich.
Call me maybe, sabihin mo.
No, I said brother, you don't look to me. I think you have a difference in years, or
Nagtampo tuloy yan, nagtampo.
no? You deserve that, but
O, di ba? Ayaw ko sabi mo yung entertain mo. He said he love his doing right now.
yes,
Talk to me.
yes, I love because I want to more English learn.
He's so happy. They're happy that
That's good.
Yeah.
I'm happy that you want to talk to me at least. Oh, Luisito, never talk to me.
Talk to him. You ask what is his hobby.
Yeah.
Like that.
Ay, let's play a game. If you who point this, you get out in the chair.
Why are you so excited? Get out.
Request the game.
How about you? Are you happy that you're together with my
I'm so happy with all the Bayaws.
Give cup, bayo, you give beer. So he sleep early.
Oh, sleep early.
I know, drunk. Yes, this is yours.
Oh, green tea can drunk?
No, yes.
Oh, there's green tea.
Green tea.
green tea?
You drink in Singapore like that or what?
I don't drink green tea.
Ay, may I have a question.
Oh, yeah.
If you leave Philippines, why now? Ay, wait. Let's change the topic and the question.
Diba yan? Bilis na black na lang, kuya.
No.
Bilis na black.
What do you like Charmaine? What type? Why do you like my sister? Are you crazy or? Look at this
Why do you like me? Why?
Because your sister is pretty.
pretty. But you don't know. There's have no brain. You don't know that. Only KB.
I try to increase to MD.
I MB, yes.
Trying
But
to.
my wife also KB, but it's
MB.
upgrade to MB. Also. Mas bobo.
Something like that.
Maybe it's
Ha?
Konting bobo.
And Char, you're Char,
What's sister nilo?
To fill in the blank.
Relax, relax.
Ito naman, ibanding nyo na. Minsan lang
Yes,
ako nasa
yes.
No.
What's that? That's you, eh?
Oh,
I love you so much.
I love my brother-in-law because the way he speak, it sounds to my ears.
Ayan, sounds proof like that.
You see, you tour also the whole house. You tour. You see the walking closet. Me, ours, working closet. That's the walking closet. You see
Outside,
the walking
outside,
closet.
outside.
That's our walking closet. In the Philippines, that's the working closet.
Show the shura. Close your cabinet right now.
The shurak, the shurak.
Only in the Philippines.
Yeah. Why that's our CR design there. So if we finish bathroom and wash our body, we go outside and we pick changes.
Just kick.
Diba? Ang gusto mo ang we.
Na tayo?
Okay
No.
naman daw.
I said I don't want to go home. I want to stay with my brother-in-law.
Oh, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. That's good.
But the visito
Oh, yung isito yung so quiet.
Why is it quiet? I keep laughing.
I think we need to exchange chair.
No.
I'm so happy. So happy, Bayaw. Welcome to the Philippines, Bayaw. Welcome. You're always welcome
John,
here.
happy
We drink, so this is the we call Bon Voyage.
No, it's not bombo yan.
Despedida like that.
Stay here for the good.
We celebrate because you stay here lifetime.
But like, Luisito is not happy.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not talking to me.
I have a
question. What are all you now? What? What? What are all you now? What?
How much? How much old are you now? How many old are you now?
How many old are you now?
How many old are you now?
Yes.
How many?
Yeah.
How many kids? How many?
How many?
1, 2, 3,
No, your age, your age.
Age.
Yeah.
How age? My age. How old? How old?
It's the same.
Oh, okay. Okay. But I understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6.
Oh,
Very old. Very old. Very old? How you old?
How you old me?
Yeah. How old you?
I'm 38.
Oh,
So
old.
it's too
How about you, Kuya?
near to expire. Huh?
How old?
How many old you? How many you? How many?
27.
Oh, I understand that.
Alisin mo na kasi.
Uwi ako, sige na. Uwi na ako kasi ganito.
What's that?
They're so happy that you are here. They love
He
you.
wants to sleep here.
Yeah.
Sleep here.
Yeah. He wants to tabi-tabi.
Sleep together.
together?
Sleep together, yeah.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
We cheers to brother-in-law. We parted. Cheers.
Mahilig yung inuman nila, no? Makainay kayo na ingay-ingay nyo.
In Singapore, you not sleep early?
I'm very no. I sleep early.
You sleep late?
Very late. Oh my God. What time are you now?
It's already 10.
Oh, time's too early. I still have 2 hours to chit-chat.
Kuya.
Chatting with you.
3 hours?
He stay in Philippines. How he stay in Philippines.
Hey, brother-in-law, how Philippines stay you?
How Philippines stay? Yeah.
How
How di ka ramo? How di ka ramo?
Huh? Hot dog, brother-in-law. Hot dog. How di Carabao? No. The utang na loob siya. Utang na loob.
No, you ask
I'm very blessed. Touching.
Philippines.
How's Philippines? How's Philippines?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh.
How about the food?
Delicious.
Delicious, the food.
The people are welcoming.
How about the girls?
The girls are, one hot girl.
We drink later and you want massage with happy ending? Hey, that's called ispakul. Oh,
I love it.
if you like it,
You love it?
We
Oh, you
got
find
it.
it?
You will love it too.
You will say, masarap. You say,
masarap.
masarap with feeling.
Masarap. What's that?
Magkakasundo kami nito.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. Later, if we drink many, we go to ispakul. So you release the stress. And because I'm so very stressed with you, I'm very stressed. I'm very stressed in the past few days. So I want to release it. I will all release.
It's healthy. It's healthy. Ispakol is healthy.
Yes.
And
When you
after
come
you say Ispakol, you say, I love Philippines.
When you come back in Singapore, you can tell to your friend, hey, there's Spakol here.
Explain to him what's this pakol. He don't know.
Spakol is like massage. You
Extra service.
extra service.
The soup.
Yeah, like
Extra rice.
Yeah, it's like a soup. You
The dishes.
ship like that.
Yeah, honestly, it's Philippines okay to you. You see the rough road and smell good like poultry. You see that, and the river in the flooded area, river in the highway. Yeah, that's our the nature when typhoon come here in Philippines. But all Filipino is good. Brother-in-law, I need to go home because my children is crying. Yeah.
Me too. I'm drink.
No.
Bayo walang iwanan. Bayo
I'm drunk.
Well, nice to meet you. I will come back here if you don't hear. Not here now. I will come back tomorrow.
Ulit ang blast.
10 plus because we have a curfew. Well,
Dami kung gusto makabanding namin. Turuan mo Tagalog.
Ikaw to kuya, you're so magwapo.
Guwapo.
ay, I love you, Bayo. I love you, Bayo.
You say, oh, guwapo.
Guwapo.
Guwapo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
When you say I love you to Charming, you said it. Ay, Jen, brother-in-law, we go. Brother-in-law, sometimes you learn Tagalog so we can talk about each other.
I'll stay here.
No, don't stay here. I'm going to shave.
No. I have to save.
How about you, Luisito?
I will have John here.
Later.
You also going home? Yes.
Going home?
Yeah.
OMG.
Good night, everybody. I'm lost.
Kaya ganun din, bye-bye.
Ba't tinabi mo pa dito eh? Ito lang muna pa.
O, diba? Allergy ka? Yun lang pala, sagot pala dapat eh. Kailangan nyo ng foreigner para matapos o yung wala yan.
Hawi na kami, ma. Alam ko na kung paano ko gagaling. Ito yung gamot. Pinakamahal na gamot ni Lovely. Sige, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung blindfold mo. Pare, tulungan mo akong mag-unbox. Wala, bibilang. Sana, gumaling ka na, eh. Gumaling ka. Ano ba ang solusyon para gumaling ka?
Ano yun?
Tingnan ko lang yung temperature mo.
Alam mo na akong lagnat eh.
Kaya kita nga. Ang lamig na niya guys, 34 na siya. Yung ano?
Ano nga ganyan ka?
Eh, kababalik-balik natin sa hospital. Alam ko na yung ginagawa sa'yo. Ano ba nararamdaman mo? Sana gumaling ka na, Be. Bali yung oxygen mo, normal naman siya. Yung heartbeat mo, normal din. Ano solusyon para gumaling ka? Sige, pahinga ka lang, matulog ka lang.
P175 a month? Diyos ko, nagbawas nga tayo kasi ikaw naman, nagpadagdag ka naman. Sabi ko, ipalilisin mo sa sakyan.
Eh, sabi mo
Gumastos ka ng 22, bagong taon sabi, bawal nga gumastos ng bagong taon ng ano. Ganito!
Ito ka ba ng makina?
Nagawa mo na naman yung brick mong butas, ha? Hindi ka makabili.
Tama. What? Tama. Alam ko na kung paano ko gagaling. Diyan ka lang ha. I got you.
Ano yun?
Gagaling ka. Wait.
Bakit ako nilitang gamot ka?
Hindi. Ako bahala. Diyan ka lang, babalik ako. Saglit lang ako. Na. Basta. Alam ko na ang solusyon para gumaling ka. Aray. Sumama mo ako. Alam ko na kung paano gagaling si Lovely.
Ano?
sasamahan mo ko, tara. Pasok.
Para ka naman tanga yan.
Ito, malalaman nyo yung sikreto, paano gumaling ang mga misis natin na may malubhang sakit. Panoorin nyo to hanggang dulo. Let's go. So kasi tayo pupunta pare? Sa pare. Ito sigurado. Gagaling si Lovely.
Ay, bibili tayo gamot?
Hindi gamot bibili natin. Basta, relax ka lang.
Kuya. 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 Dito na tayo sa
Ha?
Dito na po tayo.
Pare, hindi na daw tayo, uy. Ito na. Dito tayo. Ito yung gamot. Para magpagaling kay Lovely.
Magagaling ba si Best dito?
Pare, ako bahala pare. Kasi si Lovely pare, magaling na yun. Temperature ko, okay temperature niya. Oxygen niya, okay niya. Heartbeat, okay. So ngayon, dito ko malalaman kung talagang magaling na siya o inaartihan lang niya ako.
Magaling dito ito.
Tara na, para malaman na pare. Let's go. Ito yung gamot.
Paano magagalit yun?
Pare, sigurado ka na dito? Sigurado na pare, inaayos na yung reseta. Pinakamahal na gamot ni Lovely. Meron mo. Sana gumaling na. Guys, pauwi na ako. Dala ko na yung gamot. Para kay Lovely.
Ate, nandiyan na si kuya. Oh, nandiyan na si kuya. What?
Ano kasi? Pigilinis niya na ako ng buong bahay. Ang kapal ng mukha. Wala akong sakit-sakit. Kasi, kunya nalalata pa. Nalata bang may sakit ako ngayon?
Hindi.
Okay.
Padami-tamay mo mukha mo. Tamlay-tamlay ko na rin.
Ganyan?
Oo.
Asan ba?
Andiyan na, papasok na lang. Ha? Tayo, papasok na lang.
Pare, punta ko na si Lovely. Kung nabala sa surprise ha. Ayos ko. Blind ko lang siya, no? Para gumaling na. So dito na kami sa bahay. Ito na yung paraan para gumaling si Lovely. Magaling na talaga yung asawa ko na yun. Kumbaga, inaartehan na lang ako nito. Kasi alam mo naman, pag may sakit, kailangan lahat susundin mo yung utos. So ngayon, pumasok sa isip ko kung paano mapalabas ang totoong Dragoneste, ang totoong Lovely. So tara, puntahan na natin. Hello, B. Ang tago mo. Ha? Naligo ka na?
Hindi, nagbasala ako ng buhok.
Galing na talaga, baby ko. Naligo na.
Nagbasala ako ng buhok, tang. Sabi na, tatabaho ko na lang.
Hindi, ano ba nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Nalata na lang ako.
Nalalata ka? Hala, nakabili na ako ng gabot.
Bawal yung tanga, kailangan may reseta.
Hindi, ibang gamot to. Pinakamahal na gamot sa mga taong may sakit. Dahil lang. May blindfold ba tayo dyan? Blindfold tayo?
Ano ko yan? Ito na lang.
Ano yan?
Pwede na ito. Headband.
Ligo-ligo din din.
Lumikuto ka din, gago ka, magkakapay mata ko.
Hindi yan. Uy.
Mag-blindfold ka muna, B, kasi may surprise ako sa'yo.
Sa mainit.
Ano ba? Surprise to, mahal to, B. Tara. Surprise nga to.
Ako, para kang tanga. Pa ako.
Ay, salamat, gagaling na yung asawa ko. Parang alam ko namang nangyayari.
Depende.
Lalata pa ata ko eh.
Lalata ka ba, babi?
Mahihilok na yun.
Nahinig kayo din.
Yan.
Gabi na ba yung
Grabe ka naman!
Oh, sorry. Di ba, mataas na yung tono ng pananalita niya. Ang galing na to.
Tama.
Tara, B.
Wala akong chinela.
Eto, B. Oh. O yan, oh. Yan. Yan.
Hindi ko makita eh!
Kapay mo. Yan. Tara, B.
Hindi totoo, parang gumagaan yung paramdam.
Oh, may step down. Dahan-dahan. Yan. Oh.
Parang gumagaan na.
Gumagana yung paramdam mo. O, di ba, wala pa yung gamot. Okay, step down ulit. Yan. Got you.
Init ka.
Na-miss mo na yung environment. Tiwala ka lang sa akin, B. Diretso lang.
Huwag ka masalubsub ako ha.
Hindi, diretso lang, diretso lang.
Grabe, ano ko yan?
Diretso lang.
Ano yan?
Surprise nga eh.
Alam ko nga.
Alam mo kasi deserve mo to kasi
Gago nga, kaya pala tagal mo.
nung nagkasakit ako, nakita ko naman yung effort mo, inalagaan mo ako.
Oo.
Saka naging mabuti kang asawa sa akin. Kumbaga,
Dapat lang. Siyempre tayo lang magtutulungan eh.
ikaw yung nagiging kakampi ko.
Ah.
Sa mundo na tayo lang laging magkaaway.
Asan na? Alayo, ba't na?
Ano talaga pag special, malayo nilalakad. Saka wala na akong hihiling sa mundo kasi halos lahat nasa iyo na. Maganda, mabuting
Sa mga
asawa,
kadogali ko.
maintindihin. Hindi, yung pagiging masama ugali mo, given na yun kasi ayun ka eh. Magagawa natin. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, pagiging masama.
Sabi, gago ka ba?
Malayo pa, eh. Malayo pa.
Sige, tumatawa na yun.
Ah, si Kiling nga pala. Siya yung kasama ko. Dali lang, Bing. Dali lang. Huwag ka naman masyadong excited.
Ah.
Sige, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung blindfold mo. Pare, tulungan mo akong mag-unbox. Wala, bibilang tayo. Ano, Bi? Surprise nga, ikaw naman, oh. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi mo naman papabili sa'yo ng motor ah.
Sige, pina-reserve ko to, Bi. ADB.
Hindi mo naman nagpapabili ng motor eh.
Hindi mo ba nagustuhan, Bi?
Hindi.
Kasi ako nagustuhan ko.
Ako hindi ko nagustuhan. Saan mo na naman kayo nakipambili na yan?
Eh, pumasok na kasi yung yung sahod natin. So,
Ba't di ka na, ayan ka na naman eh. Ang dami na nating motor.
wala tayong motor. Big bike lang meron tayo, yung big bike. Eh, syempre,
May utakli ka.
yung ginagamit service dito sa bahay.
Oo, eh, ba't ayaw ko ba nun? Ano ba tawag doon?
Nagandaan ako sa forma nito eh. Hindi ba nagustuhan, Bi? Sinorpress na ako eh.
Hindi ako natutuwa. Hindi ako na-surprise.
Hala, Bi. Sabi ko sa'yo, magaling ka na, eh. Oh, di ba?
Ano magaling talaga ako napalitan ng stress.
Balik.
Gumastos ka na naman. Panibagong gastos ka na naman. Hindi ka talaga nag-iisip. Buisip ka talaga. Ikaw talaga nagpapa-stress sa akin eh. Ano?
Para naman sa service natin yun.
Ikaw talaga wala ka nang nagpapatid.
Di ba sabi sa inyo? Gagaling yung asawa ko ron. Kasi kilala, inisin eh. Sinurprise ko siya ng motor. Kata ko yung may gusto. Sa kanya gagamitin namin yung motor na